How to change Instagram password. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open up Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you'll have to make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now once you are logged in, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you tap onto it, you'll land in your profile section. From here, simply tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Now once you are inside settings and activities, simply tap on account center under your account. Now from here, scroll below and then under account settings, simply tap on password and security. Now under login and recovery, simply tap on change password. Now in this page, you want to go ahead and select the Instagram account. And in this page, you want to go ahead and enter the current password of Instagram. And in this new password section, type in the new password that you like to change and then retype the new password. Now once you're done with the password, if you like to log out of other devices, you want to go ahead and check this box. And once you are done, simply tap on change password at the bottom of the screen. And as soon as you do so, you will then be able to change Instagram password. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.